Hello and welcome. And I just want to say before we start this, when I say like, oh, this happened or this happened, I usually mean it. And I just want to be real with everyone because there's too much fake stuff in the world and there's too much hatred. And to be honest, if I say something like, I killed the Silverado, it's probably going to be a little bit of an exaggeration, but there's going to be some truth to it. So, don't freak out. I just want to be real with everyone, okay? I don't need to fake anything. I don't have any point to. Besides that, let's get started on the video. Hello and welcome to just another car channel. And if you don't know, this is the bedside of my 79 Silverado. And I'm just going to start out by saying it finally happened. This dent's always been here, by the way. But I was out ripping this the other day with one of my friends, and nothing bad happened, and it held together pretty good. But afterwards, I had brought it home. I had went to move it the next day, and well, I killed it. And not just like, it died, but I mean like I broke it. So what I'm going to show everyone today, and I need to adjust this hood. That also happened. Is that down here? This little pedal here, yeah, it's all floppy, and the reason being is that you probably can't see it, but I broke the throttle linkage when I was pumping the gas to back it up, so I could have some extra room. Me and my brother could have some extra room working on his truck. So there we go. That is why the Silverado is down for right now, but it's going to be back soon. I just need to sometime. It's probably going to be put away for hibernation because it's not feasible to run a carbed truck in the winter, especially like this, because trying to start it in the mornings is nearly impossible. However, so this might make an appearance on the channel upcoming because my brother and I have been working on putting some exhaust on it, and we just started this like yesterday. But yeah, and if you can look closely and tell, that's not a V6. So there's that. We already covered the Silverado that's broke. Now onto the Datsun. This is an important one. This thing has been sitting here for probably about 2 weeks without it being washed or anything. And I know that might sound like not very long, but since it's all dirt where it sits, it gets filthy. And well, I'm going to obviously wash it today. I'm going to wash it right now, in fact. And it's not going to be a deep clean or anything, but it's going to definitely get all the dirt off of it. So I'm going to start that. Okay, so real quick, this is a problem where I live. Like, there's a whole bunch of cars out back here and everything. People like that drive by all the time, and that person stopped for a little bit. Oh, they're stopped again. Wonder what they're doing. Oh, never mind, they're checking meters. Okay, I'm gonna put this in there then. Aha, but they weren't, because they just left. Yeah. People like that kind of piss me off, like, okay, I understand that there's some cool stuff back here, why don't you just come ask about it, huh? I'll tell you it's not for sale anyways. Anyways, the Datsun's pretty much clean now, because boom, power editing magic. It's a lot cleaner than what it was. Also, I might have a plan with the front bumper, because a bumper from a later 90s S10, something like over there, yeah, a bumper off the front of one of those is about the perfect same width for one of these. And if I could just kind of mold it around the sides a little bit, I mean, I'm probably going to try it, but if I could just do that and maybe keep the original push bar here sort of thing, I don't know what that's called, the actual bumper, yeah, if I could keep that and just, you know, place this bumper sort of cover thing over it and have that look like that, I bet that I could get a low budget, pretty nice bumper. So that might be coming in a close video. Lastly, I want to talk about the gold car. There's just a couple things about it, but let's move on to it. So obviously here it is, and not too much has changed. The next thing I was going to do is vacuum it out, but it's still here. There's a bumper sitting on it because it's not going to hurt anything. That is a 81 turbo oil cooler off of a block I have sitting over there. So other than that, I'm going to vacuum this out soon. There'll probably be a video on that. There's some thick tires right there and some skinnies over there. That's what goes on this. And that'll be it. So I know it was not too exciting today, but if you would want to subscribe for more car content and maybe a bumper fitting video, who knows, the NAS TZ, yeah, this will be coming soon. It'll be coming back. The black Datsun should be coming back also. The white S10 might make an appearance once or twice. And of course the Silverado, which I have to fix again. Now, that'll be it. Do like the video if you liked it, obviously. Do subscribe and turn on notifications. That little bell next to the subscribe button. Like, here's a subscribe icon. Yeah, here would be the bell. Turn that on. And turn on all notifications. You know. Thank you. Have a great day.